Okay, it's recording.
Okay, let's go outside. Come on. Come on, outside.
Just turn. Look at all that snow.
Go ahead. Go outside.
Annie!
Go outside.
Go outside.
Go outside. Go outside. No? You don't want to go outside?
Oh, no.
You don't want to go outside?
All the snow. Annie.
Go.
Go.
Go outside.
Yeah.
Go outside.
Oh, shit, it's on my foot.
Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Oh, she's just peeing right there.
Ew.
Annie. You go outside? You done? You done with outside? You go back out there? You go
No.
back out? All right.
Look at all that snow, though. It's so much snow. That's like...
No?
I can't sit in there. Look at all that snow. It's a lot of snow.
It is a lot of snow.
Annie, you look like you have rabies everywhere.
You go out and play?
Come on, Annie. You can do it.
You done?
Annie.
No, Mom, it's not coming
it's
out.
all over the kitchen.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. You done? I have to fix that in a minute. Hi. You done? You done outside? Was that enough? Oh, you're gonna eat the snow now, aren't you? You wanna go back out? Is that all? No? Go outside? Yay, outside! Outside!
Annie.
That's maybe enough now. That's maybe enough now. Okay, okay, is that enough outside? Is that enough
Oh,
outside? All right, more? I tried to go in the yard.
Yeah. Did she? I gotta get into the kitchen then.
You okay, Annie?
I see her.
You okay, Annie?
Annie. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
She's going along the house there.
Oh. There she is.
Did you have enough outside now? Was that enough outside?
You guys look like you're in prison now.
Yeah.
Look at all that snow on the ground. Annie! She's just gonna get more snow in.
I know, I'm trying to get it away from the door though.
Hmm.
So it's not all right up here by the door.
Oh, it's a puppy. It's a puppy. I think I'll stop recording now.